Hello, people. It is day 9 of our snarky art, art journal snark attack. This is the journal I've been working in. This is one of those ones from Ranger, and I'm getting quite a ways because we've already gotten through the first week. Actually, we're getting close to being through the second week, so you can do a single page, you can do a double page spread, but I mean, this was, and I haven't marked this. This I need to mark as day 1. This one was day 2. This was day 3 and 4. This was from some time ago. I'm not sure when I did that, and I'm not sure when I did that. This was day 5. It was a double page spread. This was day 6 and day 7. This was day 8, which we did as a live show. And remember, I really soaked this page and it went right through everything. So this was the page where I was trying to fix things. And some of this was on the live show. But I'm going to turn this into my day, I say this was day 8, day 9 page. So you can see I added this flap here because this was all torn out and destroyed. So I needed to do something. So I added an additional flap here. And what I'm going to do is I have these Laurel Birch stamps, and I think what I want to do is stamp these cats right along the edge. I think I want that one down there and this one here. Right along the edge of this, like so. So let me get this spaced out correctly, the way I want them to be, about like so. And then I'm just going to take my mount here and pick them up so that I can stamp them. And then I can put a pad here behind it to assist me with my stamping. Get a black ink pad. Make sure that I get this inked up well. Oh, I got everything in the way. Here we go. Make sure that I get this inked up well. I want to make sure I get a good impression of these kitties. And line it up where I want it to be. And press. Okay, there's my kitty faces. So I'm going to, what I want to do now is take my scissors and cut around I think I want to cut right up here where it folds. I'm just going to cut right around the cat. might actually be able to. I'm going to try it. I'm going to take my pad here and see if I can get some kind of impression. Oops. So I'm using water reservoir brushes that are filled with Dylusions ink, so water-based ink, and I'm just putting some color on these kitty cat faces, and I'm using a little bit of Posca pen for the white and making it colorful. Some of the black ink didn't show up really well, so I'm just going to go back and add a few details and, you know, sharpen the image a little bit with the black Posca pen.
So that's about it for day 9. I hope you come and join us on Art Joy of Sharing, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye for now.